One of our mechanics just totaled this vehicle and now he's in a lawsuit because it's not his fault, but he has no proof about it. So I had an idea to gift him something. It's not very common around here, but I've seen these online. It's this dash cam, and this would have avoided the lawsuit. This is really cool because it's not your normal dash cam. This has the dash cam that mounts on the rear view mirror that's 4K quality, so really crisp and clean. Then you have on the front a 1080p, and then one that you can put in the back, either on like the liftgate portion or inside the vehicle, which is 2.5K. So in total, 3 different cameras that you can all see on your rear view mirror display. And the coolest thing about all this great visual is it has night vision as well. And this particular G900 model, this is the best night vision that they have to offer. So if you're wondering, how am I gonna transfer all of these files? Wolfbox has made it so much easier and faster. So for all you nerds out there, just like myself, from 2 megabytes a second, they've now done it to 8 megabytes a second, which is way faster to transfer those files to your device. He had to buy a different vehicle, so I think this will be a good addition to his new vehicle. I'm gonna go gift this to him. You guys can join me. We're gonna install this, so let's go do this. Jason means a lot to us. He's been a mechanic with us for 13 years, and he's a good friend. He's helped me do projects on my house. He was at my wedding. He's been there for a lot of life events. So he's an important part of the family. But we'll gift it to him and see what he thinks. Ho, 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 Jason. Merry July.
That's Freedom Month.
Middle of filling up an engine.
It's Freedom Month, right?
It's Freedom Month. America.
America. Yeah.
Jason's in the middle.
I'm in the middle.
Dude, you're in the middle of it. I love that. That's one of the things I love about you. Because you're in a battle right now with the court to try and prove your case that it's not your fault.
Right.
And I think this will help you in the future. You're a prepared guy.
Yeah.
This is a dash cam that goes on your rear view mirror, and it records front and back. So 4K, it'll be pretty sweet, dude. Yes.
You got your pocket knife?
Yes, I do. Now, this is the kind of guy that Jason is. I'm gonna make him blush if he blushes. This pocket knife here is from Jason. He got me that out of the kindness of his heart. So I'm opening a gift to Jason with a gift that he gave to me. I'm telling everybody here on camera how good of a guy you are.
It's all a lie.
So yeah, it's got all the hookups, 4K. We've actually never done one of these.
Holy smokes.
That is vacuum sealed, dude.
Poke a vacuum hole in that thing, huh?
Oh, look at that thing.
Shoot, who says hindsight ain't 20/20?
Yeah, this is not to rub it in that like, oh, I wish you would have had one of these before. So what's the deal? So you were going down 89.
That big hill.
Hit a patch of shingles.
Roofing shingles, yeah.
Which acts like an ice skate, probably.
Yeah, I was just coming to a normal stop and then it all went bad.
Yeah, so this looks like it attaches onto your rear view mirror. So we're gonna show you guys how Jason would do it, and we'll walk you through the process, and then we'll see how it ends up being. And if we like it, follow the instructions on how we do it. We'll give you guys some tips that we learned throughout this process, but I think this would be cool. We'll set it up on your Subaru.
Yeah.
So you won't have to worry about it.
That's right.
It's gonna be tomorrow when we do this, because Jason's in the middle of sealing up this 6.0.
It's pretty nice looking, huh?
Well, I see them all the time on the internet and stuff. People getting in wrecks and stuff like that, and they have one of these recording.
Or getting out of tickets, because he's seen the car, 2 cars ahead of you that was the same color, and they all freaking look the same.
Then it's your word against somebody else's.
And they know him.
Right.
You're screwed.
Yeah. Well, I mean, that's why we do digital inspections, is to show people a picture, and you can't disagree with that.
Yeah.
All right, well, I'll get it out of your way here, but yeah.
I'll pull it in tomorrow, and then I'll just wait for them to get here,
Yeah.
and then we'll do that.
The next day.
Okay, guys, we got the Subaru here, laying out the kit. We're gonna show you how everything looks, and we're gonna figure this out with you guys. So this that we just laid out is this box with the power supply cable, rubber straps, and some of these mounting accessories.
lock clip, right? Run it up through there.
Yeah. Yeah, so you could either put it, I guess, on the grill or, yeah, on something like that.
I might just put it down there.
There's the rear. They're saying kind of pop out the license plate light and fish it through right there. It says to attach a red wire, which I'm assuming is this one, to your backup camera. Or I'm sorry, your reverse lights.
It's like a remote signal.
Yeah, it must be like when you put it in reverse.
Turn it on the screen.
Yeah. You know, everyone was giving you a hard time with your Ryobi stuff, dude. Let's just show this off. We got some Milwaukee here now.
Oh, I still got my Ryobi.
They freaking work.
Every day.
Yeah, so.
I tell you what, those poor things have been through hell and back.
Yeah,
So.
yeah, it's not like you're just doing some small house projects, dude. You're freaking using them on trucks and everything.
Like starting a freaking lawnmower. Grip it, rip it.
Seriously, these plastic things always make me nervous pulling
Dude,
off.
yeah, me too. Especially if it wasn't your car, how would that feel?
Yeah.
We got to get in these new $100,000 trucks, and they're like, oh,
Yeah,
that should only take you an hour. Well, it takes you an hour to figure out how not to break it first.
Right.
I put the freaking wrong one in the back.
Oh no.
It's easy.
So was it the 4-pin one or the 6-pin one? That
The 6-pin goes in the back.
the 6-pin goes in the back. Remember that.
It's easily fixed. I put that front camera on there.
Oh, did you?
Go look.
That's pretty slick. So how did you route it? The wire.
I haven't fully got the routing done yet,
Oh, okay.
but it goes up and in and then all the way around. The only place I could find that had a grommet
Oh, is through the firewall here?
down in the bottom where the AC evap core drain is.
Okay. So we've got it mounted onto the front bumper. We've routed the wire around, and then we'll secure the wiring, but then we've got it routed through the firewall there so that we can then get the wire into the vehicle. Hopefully we should be powering it up soon, being able to check our cameras, then we can make adjustments and put some things back together, so we're getting close.
12-volt outlet. We're gonna go with that one for the battery power.
Oh, look at that, now you got
the heck?
So this is the camera here, wherever that is.
That's obviously the front. Kyle just
There's
walked
Kyle.
by.
And then that's the back.
Oh, because the tailgate's open.
I was like, yeah, what?
I was like,
trying
dang,
to figure
did I
out
aim that wrong? That's looking at the roof. It's also a mirror. So if you're driving at night, you can just turn it off. And if you want it on, you can just touch it. That's pretty cool. Aha! Switch through the cameras. So you can just put it on the back one. It's pretty cool. Well, let's dress her up and get her tucked away and get all this crap put together. All right, let's get all this done.
Let's see how it works.
Yeah.
All right.
All right, start her up.
All right, so let's turn this on.
Go ahead and start it.
It's got the mirror.
Start it, get the AC going.
Oh, did I say?
No, it just takes a second. I thought the same thing.
Dare to everywhere. There we go. Dude, that's
So you can
pretty
turn
sharp.
off. So you'll see it recording, turn it back on.
so it automatically
It
starts
automatically
recording.
starts recording.
Okay.
So you can shut the recording off
Okay.
and then hold the brake pedal and shift it into reverse. And then it automatically shifts to that.
Ah.
And
Okay.
then put it back in park.
So what was it showing us before? Oh, it's just doing a whole visual.
Yeah, because it's a fisheye.
Okay.
So now you can
I see.
cycle through. So that's your lower front.
Yeah.
That's this
this
one.
up here.
And then you can. That's
You
all
can see all
three.
three. That maybe trip you out when you're driving.
I think this one's gonna be cool when you're driving. See all the manhole covers.
Boy, potholes.
So I don't know if I mounted that crooked or if it's just.
Well, I think you can adjust it on that bracket, right? Oh, that's perfect, dude. It's about as close as you're gonna get.
I guess go boogie and see what it does for you and kind of
Yeah.
see what it looks like. You can, like I said, you can just touch the screen for the menu,
Uh-huh.
and then this changes your cameras.
So it could just be like, your rear view.
Yeah, it could be your rear view or it could be your front lower,
Yeah.
and then that menu will go away.
Got a switch, that is. There we go. Okay guys, look at that. We've got a beautiful visual. Super crisp and clean. A huge, that monitor is huge. So that's really nice. Recording, 1080p. Better late than never as far as this goes for getting it for Jason. But makes me want to get one because You never know when something's going to happen, but you'd rather be protected in advance than worry about it afterwards. This is pretty slick. Good job, Wolfbox.